the light goes into the solar panel, which then goes into this solar charge controller, which takes the power to the battery, which stores it, and then when it's needed, it comes back to the charge controller, and then the charge controller gives it the power. Okay, I will make a homemade portable solar panel you can take wherever you want. Well, not the bottom of the ocean. Mostly everywhere where you want. And these are the three main parts. The solar panel, which is what it's known for, basically something that absorbs light and turns it into electricity. Battery that stores all the power from the solar panel that goes to the battery. And then this is the solar charge controller. And so if there's too much power in the battery, it'll stop the current, and it measures like how much percentage is in the battery, and it's really simple. Let's get right to it. Okay, this is the only tool we'll be using. I'm using these clip thingamajiggies, which will be in the link below. Plus positive. So I will connect it to it. And then this is going to connect to this. Here's my other alligator clip. This is negative. Black, negative, minus. And look, it's an alligator. That's why it's called an alligator clip. This is a 12-volt battery and a 10-watt solar panel. And it worked for me. Anyway, let's move on. Let's continue connecting everything. So I am currently connecting negative. So I connected this to the battery, and then I connected this to here, this wire, the other end of the alligator clip. Then I'm going to connect this negative wire, I marked it black, into this slot because it has a picture of the battery, negative, which is facing this screw, which right under it is right there. I'm tightening this in so that it doesn't come out. I think there's like a little square thing inside, and it goes up and down. So when you tighten it, it goes up to trap the wire in it so that it can't come out. And then when you loosen it, it goes down so that the wire can run away. Okay, so I'm still tightening it. I'm just stripping the screw for no reason. Anyway, it's tightened. Now let's move on to positive. This is the same everything. Everything's just the same exact thing. Copper wire attached to the alligator clip. It's just, the only different thing is it's positive. So we need to connect this to positive. Right here. Okay, so now that I have this battery plugged in, I need to plug in the solar panel, which is what it's known for. There's this thing, it says open, so you open it. The green one's positive and the red one's negative. And it goes through the line, and then right here we found at the end that it was open, so then we wire taped it to this part, and then we followed the line all the way down to here with the black mark, and the black mark is negative. My dad made the black mark. So then I put positive and positive, negative and negative, screwed it up. I see there's a picture of a solar panel, battery, and light bulb, so I know which is which. I just put the solar panel wires into the charge controller, and I already attach the battery. I don't know if I said this, but I have 112.1 volts. So the bottom is positive and the side is negative. It also says that on the light bulb. And then we figured out which is which, and then we just trace the wire all the way down to here. I'm just attaching the light bulb. Simply attaching the light bulb. Negative. So again, the black mark goes into negative, and I'm attaching the light bulb. So this is attached to this, which is attached to this simple plug that you just plug into an outlet, which is attached to this switch, which is attached to this, which will hold the light bulb. Every DC light bulb has this. The bottom, it says, you can see the bottom of this right here on this. The bottom says positive and the middle says negative on every light bulb I have here. So DC power only has positive and negative. AC power doesn't. So you know this is DC because this is positive and negative. AC power doesn't matter. So I don't have that much battery, so I'm just gonna show you this bulb, which is a 1.0 watt bulb. It uses very little power. So I'm gonna start off with this. But right now I set it on a mode where it won't give power to the light bulb. So I need to turn that on before I turn the switch. If I turn the switch, nothing happens. I can stare at this forever until I press the button. So I'm gonna press the button. The switch is already on. It's on, and now it's on. So basically, this was built to basically hold up power so that the battery doesn't overcharge. So it's probably holding up the power from it going into this so that it does not turn on. I can stare at this now. My battery died. I'm going to go charge it with my solar panel. Okay, Bob. I just charged my tablet on my homemade solar charger.